y'all, welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I'm Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. Alright y'all, so today is an exciting day. I've been telling y'all that things is changing. Today's an exciting day. So before the excitement start, I needed to come to, well, I'm gonna check Lowe's and then may have to check another store, but I'm looking for this particular item, okay? For this particular item that's gonna be needed, that's gonna help out with what's going on this evening. What's that? Solar. Oh, that's cute. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this vlog. Look, y'all, this is not what I'm looking for, but we was going by this and look, it's solar power. Ain't that cute? You can hang this. That's cute. It's $35. $34.48. I ain't got that one right there. Yeah, but that's not what I'm looking for, okay? That's not what I'm looking for. Let's go down here and see if I can find. Oh, that's it right there. I know it when I see it. Okay. This is what I'm looking for, y'all. I can show y'all what I'm looking for, okay? I don't know. Well, let me see. No, this the one I want. Oh, 86. But I want the Wolver one.
Yeah, 6 feet by 50 foot. You got 3 feet by 200. You got 4 balls.
Is this the Wolver one though? Cause I would just get this one. I always have. No, that's the I want the Wolver one, so it look like it's gonna be these right here, and that's steep. They only got this one in that size, look like. Yeah, they only got that one in that size. The rest of them is stay green. I guess we'll go check Tractor Supply, and if not, I may just have to come back and get that. But I didn't. Let me see. I don't know. All right, y'all. So I'm in here looking for this stuff and came across. So look right here. So she's a dog trainer. So we're gonna try to get Summer trained, okay? I'm gonna reach out for her. Y'all already know how Summer is. Y'all already see and know how she is. But look, it's a boy, right?
It's a boy.
He's so pretty. So I was able to get information on how to get Summer trained. So I'll reach out to them. So you want to give them a little about what y'all do real quick?
Yeah, so we do one-on-ones. We also do board and trains where the dog will stay with us. We train for all ranges of different problems, from just basic obedience to reactivity, people and dog reactivity. We do a lot of socialization around other dogs. So even if you're looking to do just some simple socialization, we do pack walks where you bring your dog out. It's a great chance for your dog to get around other dogs and learn how to behave in different environments.
Okay, so y'all heard that. So if y'all want to know more, just reach out to me. Y'all know how to, and I'll give you the information as soon as I get more information right now. So yeah, so y'all, that's great. The lady was so nice. I always ask her, you want to be on camera, because a lot of people do not want to be on camera, so I didn't want to make her uncomfortable or anything like that. But y'all heard, so y'all want to reach out, let me know. But we definitely gonna have to get Summer trained, y'all. And you know, I was thinking about Summer being born 2016, what she should consider. Oh, she's like, nope, nah, she not. So I showed her a picture of Summer looking at me crazy the other day. She said, oh yeah, she looks like she's sassy. Yeah, Summer is. But I love Summer to death. Summer helps me out with my anxiety. Y'all know that. So yeah, y'all. So I don't see what I need here. So let's go ahead and go to the other place, and then we'll see if we have it from there. Okay. So this is what I really want though. I want this because of how it's made right there. So yeah. So yeah, that's the other dog, y'all, that they're actually training right now. They bring him to help with that one. Yes, y'all. I can't wait to see my Summer high stepping like a Clydesdale. Little miniature. Look, y'all, this is what they got, huh?
I look at these the other day.
Yeah, they got those mats, y'all. These mat things here for $16.97 each. That's 55. It say farm and ranch supplied. Oh, look right. Oh, that's $380 for this. Good googly moogly. I get a couple of big trash cans. Is that for water or something? Oh no, never mind. Never mind. I was finna say if this was a water, I think this for like gas or something maybe.
This tank can be used only with
Palo thing. Yeah. I think this ain't no watering thing. Can't be not for that much. That's what I was finna say. If that's a watering thing, no. I think it may could be used for it, but yeah. So, all right, y'all. Let's go and get up out of here. Look at this. That's nice. All right, y'all. So I'm back at Tractor Supply. I came a couple days ago. That's what I mean. I'm back at Tractor Supply. Okay. Y'all know I got some deals on some fertilizer. These will be $5 a bag. Those are for roses and flowers though. So let's go ahead and go in here.
Anytime?
landscape cloth.
You said landscape?
Cloth.
Cloth?
Yeah, what do you put on the ground?
Maybe outside in the tent area and stuff. No, I would check over in the very back though by that fencing area
Oh.
first, so, okay?
Thank you.
Alright, y'all, so trying to see if they got what I need, if they got what I need. I think it'll be over here. Here or what this wire stuff will be. Or somewhere. Let me see. Okay. Huh? Outside? Okay. I'm gonna go check and see if it's outside, y'all. This son of mine cutting through. And then I got a child who won't pick up their feet. Y'all hear it? Hold on, no, that's not a child. That's Oronde walking like that. I thought it was Kylie and I turned around. Kylie ain't saying it, but Kylie just looking like, huh? That's Oronde feet, y'all heard. Y'all not picking up his feet. And we gonna sit there and laugh. And I thought it was one of the kids. Okay. They got them things over there too. You see it? Oh, I saw it too. I don't think it will be out here. But I never know. Ask the thing. Excuse me.
Yes.
Do you know where your it's gonna be your weed barrier cloth? Like the woven ones?
Yes.
Do you know where they will be at?
If we have any still, it's going to be up here in this seasonal section, I think.
Okay. Y'all go that way. Oh, y'all you're gonna step on his
Our
stuff.
store's so little, they put most of that stuff away to bring out the other holiday crap.
You said holiday crap. I'm with you on that. A lot of extra money. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go and try to see if they got it. I know I looked online, they said they had one more, but that it could be, actually, if they don't have it, it could be gone. I hope they got it though. Oh, it would be over here if they got it.
And it looks like we've stopped it away.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright, thank you.
Usually on a little cap out here with the rolls up like this.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright, thank you.
I'm sorry.
It's alright. Okay, so okay, so I can't find that one, so it looks like we're gonna be going back to Lowe's maybe, and I'm gonna go out here and make a phone call real quick to see if my other Tractor Supply have it, because I do have the item number. It says they have it. I wonder if it's in the back. Let's see. Alright, y'all, so that Tractor Supply don't have any, so I end up calling another Tractor Supply that's about 20, maybe 25 minutes, if that, away, and they have one. So I told her, I was like, will you please put it up by the register? Gave her my name. She said sure, and it's a 4x100, so that should be enough for what I need it for. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go up here and get it. Got a little drive. I used to actually stay in Richlands. Richlands is where I'm going. I used to stay in Richlands, more countryside or whatever. Y'all done been with me to Richlands, to that Tractor Supply, but that's where I'm about to go to get what I need so I can get back home, y'all. I gotta be home most of the day, okay?
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out?
Alright, y'all, so we are going inside of Tractor Supply so I can get it from
One bag left of chocolate marshmallow. If you like stuff like that, it's wonderful. Yeah, we take cash or card, but I'll be here on the way out if you'd like some.
so y'all, they should have it at the front, okay? Yay, they got it. Let me go ahead and pay for it. Alright, y'all, the time has come. The game changer is here.
If y'all done with the order.
For me, the game changer is here, okay? The time has come. It's here. I'm not gonna say anything until it's put together. I may not just say nothing. I just may let y'all see for yourself. right, y'all, so as you see what it is, so Oronde surprised me with this. There's a couple more things that that has came actually. He got me a 10 by 20 greenhouse. Yes, it's on and popping all winter, okay? And he ended up getting me the fan, the heater, and what else? Thermometer. So it was a surprise, y'all. I feel like didn't nobody understand. Just mentally there, and then all of a sudden I find out that I had this stuff on the way. So the heater comes, I think, November 1st. Today is October 27th. So this came today. I only just found out about this like what 2-3 days ago, so they got it here quick. And today also let me see, the heater is November 1st. We should get it for, hopefully it'll probably be here Monday. God said, y'all, maybe here tomorrow, you just never know. But the fan, the thermometer, oh, and a drip irrigation system. So yeah, so I that's why I was telling y'all, like, I got something to show y'all. I am completely blessed. It look like it's crooked on here because of my thing, but it's not. But it is on a slope, so yeah. So we're gonna be pulling this. We gotta put the flooring in and all that type of stuff. So yeah, stick along while we try to get this. We're gonna get the floor and stuff down. I'm gonna be spraying the insides and stuff, because this is gonna be my piece coming out here. I want to start my homestead business, start my garden business and all that type of stuff. So this is gonna help out a lot, so I can grow everything, you know. Yeah, I can grow everything that I need to grow to the window. So gardening over here, being more self-sufficient over here, is now a year-round thing. You heard?